Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
We're in Foshan. We're going to capture it right before it gets too dark. Here's Lingnan food alley, and this is part of Foshan. We're off the main street right here, so you can see restaurants, of course, trees, cars parked, nice beautiful apartments, and lots of businesses all the way down. But we're going to be going into here, and this is kind of an old ancient town that they've made into pretty awesome, amazing tourist site with all kinds of, it's like basically tons of businesses in an old village. Okay, let's go check it out. Okay, Foshan, China. So I did do another video of the same area, but this is a little bit different. I'm getting to know it a little bit better. So this is a second video of the Lingnan Tiandi neighborhood historical blocks in Foshan, China. It's up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And let's go take a look, and you can see it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so we're going to be walking down into this little Lingnan food alley. And this whole area is kind of an old Lingnan style housing, buildings, and village. And it's completely enveloped around Foshan city. And now it's a major tourist attraction. And it's a very long block. And this little food part is just one small part of it. And we're gonna just meander around for maybe about 12 minutes or so. Could go down that way, could go down this way. Let's go down this way. I did another video already. This is video number 2. I'll probably only do 2. It's going to get too dark to do any more than that. So video number 1 will be linked at the end in the thumbnail. So if you want to see that, you can watch all of this one and then click on that to see more. And it's so big that I'm just getting a part of it in slice 1 and part of it in slice 2, and there's going to be a lot more that I will not get at all. Let me see, I think down that way. Oh, let's go down this. There's a street down that way. We're gonna go down an alley. This alley right here. Just kind of meander around aimlessly. So usually what I do is I just try to capture a slice of the city as if you were there yourself. And we're exploring Lingnan, Foshan. It's getting a little bit too dark, so that's one issue. So as it gets too dark, my camera just doesn't really turn out so good, the lighting. So this will be my last video. So there's only going to be 2 of this area at nighttime. If for some reason I'm here tomorrow, I'll film again, but I kind of have a lot of stuff I'm going to try to do tomorrow. Let's go down this way. Let's see if we can find another interesting way to go. Hello. He was waiting for me to. I don't want to. I can't turn the camera very fast because it's at nighttime, so it'll make a person dizzy. So he stopped and gave me the sign, like a hello sign. Okay, let's keep on moving. Pretty cool area. We'll meander around a little bit more, and then I'm going to end the filming for the night. I see a giant doll over there, so I'm gonna walk over towards that because it looks like something I haven't filmed yet. Actually, it's all kind of new. It's a Guinness place. Wow. Picture is 138, a large 48. Okay, let's keep on going. Here's a let's see what all this is. There's a giant gate right there. We're gonna walk all the way down this way, and we're gonna try to go until about another 5 minutes or so. It's like stained glass right there. And I think our plan is to take a right, and then we're going to end the video soon. Are we coming out to a street? Looks like we are. Yeah, we did. Yeah, this kind of spreads out into lots of interesting areas. So there's a map that I saw earlier, so it does have a confined area, but then at the other hand, it's also spreads out a little bit more. A little bit dark in this spot. I apologize for that. Okay, should probably end the video, but that's what this is. Hong Gran. We're gonna keep on going, and I'm gonna take a right, and I think I'll go back into it, or with the parameters of the streets. But it looks like we go back into it again. Foshan, Lingnan, Tiandi right there. So we do go back into it. So let's kind of capture some of this. So we could go all the way down that way as well, but I think all the people are down this way. So let's just capture this direction here. Fungi hot pot. Okay, I got dim sum to the left. We'll just kind of meander all the way through here. Okay, let's see. So this is a taste of Lingnan Tiandi. It's going to take a left down this way. Let's go down one more. A little bit too dark now. Okay, we got lots of people here, so we're gonna go all the way through the people. I have a feeling the camera is shaky at this time of night, but we'll just go with it. At least you have an idea what it looks like. And we're gonna come to an ending here. So this will probably be where we're gonna end. All the red lanterns, music is a little bit left for the YouTube. Is that Michael Jackson? I think so. Okay, we got a fountain up here and some red lanterns, so I think that'll be the ending spot for our video. So now you got an idea of Foshan and Lingnan Tiandi.
Got the dome, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll.